We're trying to figure out the coordinates of point R, and here's point R here. And I'm going to label this point here M. It tells me that this angle is 45. It also tells me that's the right angle. If that's a right angle, that means this angle is also a right angle. Okay, so I've got a right angle, and there's 45 degrees here. That means this has got to be 45 degrees. And angles, triangles that have the legs of a triangle, that's your legs, if they both have this 45 degree, what that tells me is that this side has got to equal this side. It's the same measurement. So we know this point here is 5, 0. Because you know you went over 5 to get to that point Q. So that means the distance, and we add another color, from here to here is 5. Well, guess what? That means the distance from here to here is also 5. So that means this ordered pair at point R is going to be over 5 on the X and down -5. So E is your answer.